Hello everyone, Sunny here from Online Sales Funnel Academy, and in this video we're going to talk about why it is smart for you to open up an Amazon store if you are a brick and mortar business. Alright, so welcome back to my channel everyone. In this video I'm going to go a little bit different direction. Normally I talk about sales funnels using ClickFunnels, but in this video I want to talk about another sales funnel and look at it from a little bit different perspective from a digital marketing point of view. Now, when I first got started online, I started on Amazon as a seller because I did not know what I was doing. And what I realized very quickly is that by becoming an Amazon seller, that I would be able to allow Amazon to boost my product for me, right? So when you list your products on Amazon, Amazon does all the heavy lifting for you. That's why so many people love the platform, because they are the ones that send out the emails. They're the ones that retarget for you. They're the ones that, boost your products to the news feeds over there and follow people around the internet. So you don't have to. So as time went on, I realized that I got over onto Facebook. I was trying to promote my product from Amazon over onto Facebook, and what I realized is that they seem like very different worlds to me. But in the end, what is happening is that if you choose to promote your products on Facebook or YouTube, you're taking that responsibility and you're paying for those ads. Now you can also pay for ads over on Amazon. Also, it's pay per click, right? But what ends up happening is that if you're a brick and mortar, let's say, let me think of a good one. One of the examples that they had in there, I don't like that one. Let me think of a good one. Let's say you are a watch repair shop, just for whatever reason. Okay, let's say you've got a brick and mortar, you've had this business for 15 years, and you repair watches, and you've got these pieces that are custom, like maybe you've only got 2 of each in stock. You've got one little piece for a Rolex and one little piece for this and that. What Amazon allows you to do, and let's say you've never even considered putting your products out on Amazon because you're thinking, why would I? I've got a good steady client base here at my shop. I get foot traffic. I get people coming in. Maybe you advertise in a flyer, or maybe you are using Facebook ads, right? And you're thinking, well, why would I even bother putting my products on Amazon? Well, which is better? One way to sell or 2 ways to sell, right? So if you have the right kind of methodology put together, I'm not saying don't do it just to do it to be, structured and be successful with your sales. Amazon lets you create a store inside of your Amazon seller account and lets you create SKUs, so you can upload each little item that you have in your inventory for sale. And then it shows up immediately in the news feed inside of their main Amazon. So if anybody goes to watch pieces or custom watch pieces for Rolex, the listings will come up. Well, what a lot of people don't realize when they first start selling is that there's 2 ways to sell products on Amazon. The first way is that we call it FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. That means you physically mail. I have a stapler, okay? That means I'm going to physically mail the stapler to the warehouse. They're going to tell me which warehouse to send it to. It's going to go to Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's going to sit there, and the next person who purchases and it happens to click on mine will probably be a Prime member, because if my stapler is sitting in the warehouse, they're going to give my listing preferential treatment to the customer because they can guarantee it's going to get to where it needs to go with Prime. Because the whole point of Prime is guaranteeing, I think, 24 or 48 hour delivery on the products. So that's the first benefit. So if you are willing to mail your products into the warehouse, then you get all the extra love from Amazon's algorithm saying, here, buy our product. It's on FBA Prime. Now, the other way to do it is, now let's say you don't want to mail your product in. Let's say you're not sure if it's going to sell and you don't want to bother. Maybe you have a heavy item at your store. Maybe you have a sofa sleeper, and you don't want to mail it in because you're not sure if it's going to sell, right? So what you would do is you create a listing and you create a SKU and you upload it. It becomes the other kind of listing. It becomes what we call merchant fulfilled. So what you're telling Amazon is like, hey, I have this stapler. It's in my warehouse here at home. If anybody clicks on my news listing on the main feed, I will be sure to mail it to them. Okay, so you only want to do this if you're sure that you've got your inventory in stock. What you don't want to do is drop ship off of Amazon. A lot of people, I've heard of a lot of people, I've never done it, a lot of people do it and they get in big trouble. So that's one way to get your Amazon account shut down permanently. You don't want that, especially if you want to be a seller. So what not to do is go look on the Walmart website and you say, oh, it's here, I can get it over here, and then put a listing on Amazon. And then if somebody buys it, then you ordered off of Walmart and you drop ship it over to the Amazon customer. Do not do that. It is strictly against their terms of service, and they'll get you shut down in a heartbeat. Now, you can do this model on Shopify. You can go get a Shopify account. You can run your own traffic to your Shopify store, and you can drop ship all day long over there. That's the model. If that's the model you're going to do, go do it with the Shopify store. Do not do it on Amazon. Okay? I think I drilled that one home pretty much. So let's think about the benefits now of having your products listed, your brick and mortar, you own your own products, goods and services, or products from your store. How would that benefit you, right? So let's say I know when I used to work in a brick and mortar store, we always knew that Tuesday was our slow day, right? Weekends were usually good, Mondays were okay, Tuesdays were slow, Wednesdays were and you probably have that kind of calendar laid out in front of you as well. If you sell services or products, and if you rely on foot traffic into your store, you know that it can be like this, or if it rains, maybe it dips and whatnot. And let's say you're thinking about getting on Facebook and doing Facebook advertising, but you haven't quite made it yet, but you're thinking, gosh, if I could just get my physical product, if I could just get my widget in front of more people. So the beauty is that whether you list it and just do it, merchant, or you actually mail it to the warehouse, either way, Amazon will put that in their news feed. And if you do sell one and you've got them at the warehouse back at your place, they will just give you a notification in your back office, and they'll say, oh, by the way, you made a sale. And you have to go into your back office and check it throughout the day, and you have 24 hours to close your sale so that you'll get the credit, and they will transfer the money, and every other, I think it's Thursday, you get paid from Amazon. So direct deposit into your bank account of your choice. So those are some of the reasons that you would want to set up an Amazon store and but put your own products listed into the Amazon store so that you can have both foot traffic and you can have the Amazon traffic working for you and not against you, so that when people walk into your store and they say, I could have bought this on Amazon, I don't know if I want to buy it here, instead of you holding a grudge against the people selling on Amazon, now you're one of those people, and that way you can catch them both ways. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had some aha moments about what to do with your business and this sales funnel process, which is still a sales funnel process of going through Amazon's cart and all that. So if you would like more trainings like this, I own and I run a membership group over on Facebook. It's Online Sales Funnel Academy for $47 a month, where you can learn great information just like this and learn how to put together your own sales funnels and drive traffic from Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube and Google to get more sales leads and customers. All right, you guys, let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I read all my own comments, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.